some of this almond milk. So good. It's so much better to buy almond milk to make almond milk at home with some mustard. Okay. Cheers. Good morning. It is day 2 of my 30-day ADF challenge, also September 2. And today is a feast day. However, I'm still fasting because my 36 hours is up at about 11:30, so in an hour or so. I don't think I'll be eating until about midday though, because I do need to get my steps in. So for this month, and usually when I'm in my routine, I normally get a minimum of 10,000 steps per day, as well as going to the gym to lift weights 4 to 5 days per week. So yesterday I got about 8,000 steps in. I just wasn't feeling like walking a lot in the morning. So I'm hoping that today will be different and I will get my 10,000 steps in. So I'll be out for a longer walk this morning. So I do have a few recipes that I'll be filming today, so don't forget to check those out. This vlog you'll probably be seeing tomorrow, since I'll be recording all that I eat today with you guys so you can see it. This is my first vlog on my channel, so bear with me. I hope it's going well. Okay, so what's the plan for today? So basically I will be trying to get as much protein as I can in, eating mainly whole foods. So yeah, you'll be seeing all of that. So as I said, this challenge I'm be going dairy free because of the stomach issues that I've been having this past August. As you can see right now, I have a lot of acne on my face, well, acne scars, and that's because I had a really bad breakout this summer. I don't know if it's related to the dairy, but or the stomach issues. So I'll be really focusing on gut health and eating the things that are beneficial for my gut, as well as, removing dairy for the month to see if that helps to improve my gut and also to improve my skin. Hi guys, so it's around 12:40 and I'm just preparing my first meal of the day. Not what I had in mind, but the supermarket took a bit longer than expected, and I did start off quite late in the day, so it is what it is. It's fine. I'm over 36-hour fasted, which is key. So right, so I just wanted to quickly share my weight. So I weighed myself this morning and I am 65.5 kgs. So that's the figure that I'll be using as my starting weight because I forgot to weigh myself yesterday. So I'll do 2 more weight check-ins halfway through the challenge and then again at the end of the challenge. So stay tuned for those. Right now I'm just making some egg white omelet. It's just 2 eggs with 100 mils of egg white. Once that is finished, I will share with you my first meal of the day. So here I am. This is my first meal of the day. That's 2 eggs with 100 mils of egg whites, 2 corn tortillas. I'm gonna have a cup of almond milk. This is homemade, by the way. I'll leave a link to the video in the description, and I'll probably add ketchup and mustard. Not sure yet, but yeah. I'm 37.5 hours fasted, so cheers. First bite. Lovely. So I'm focusing on having whole foods and minimally processed foods. I want to ensure that I'm eating enough protein and that I have 3 full meals for the day, 3 complete meals for the day. So half an avocado, so some healthy fats in there. And yeah, I'll show you my lunch next. For lunch, I'm having stewed beef, baked potatoes, and cauliflower rice with some bread on the side as well as sauerkraut to help with my gut issues. So as you can see, a nice plate of food. I am drinking a cup of tea. This is ginger and lemon tea while I work editing some videos and sending out job resumes. Wish me luck. Hi guys. So it's the end of the day and I'm about to have dinner. So I'm gonna show you what I have, but before then let me recap what I had for lunch. I did have a few snacks. So I had a handful of nuts, a handful of grapes that you'll see here, and then some watermelon. So that's what I had. After I had creatine, yes, before going to the gym. I had a glass of creatine and then came back from the gym and prepared my dinner. Let me show you what it looks like. So dinner tonight is some jerk chicken in the oven, broccoli and potatoes. Yes. So I'm about to sit down to enjoy this wonderful meal and then I'll have a little dessert. I'll show you what that is later. Bye. So this is my last meal of the night. My dessert is gonna be a oat and fig cookie that I made a few days ago. And it's a super simple recipe. It's simply oats with fresh figs and some chopped out walnuts and almond nuts. And of course, I'll be having a bar of dark chocolate. Anyway, if you enjoyed this type of video, please let me know. And I will do one on my next feast day as well, or a few of my feast days throughout this month. Tell me, what did you do? Did you have an update today? What did you eat? How are you approaching your feast days? Let me know. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.